Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install the Facebook Pixel into ClickFunnels correctly because I've been having so many people question me about it, and it's a huge confusion for a lot of us. I would say like the majority of us don't know how to use a Facebook Pixel correctly, and we need to use it because we need to use it for remarketing, retargeting. Um, wherever this is going, we're going to find all the customers as soon as they click into a website or they opt in or they buy something or they don't buy something. This is our ability to go back and find them and keep finding them and keep bugging them until they're like, all right, let's do this, let's buy something. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left hand side of that. This is my business manager, right? And if you have a page, you always want to claim it with your business manager, and you can just go to Facebook business, this right here. You can just copy this and post it in there, and then go to like set it up, whatever, and then just go claim an account. And I'll do another video explaining that specifically. But right now I'm going to show you the pixel. Okay, so we're going to go pixels. And I already put it in there. And all you have to do is just basically press yes. This page will pop up on anyone that hasn't set up an ad before. So you just put yes. You name whatever pixel you want to name it. Then you're going to install it. For those that are using Google Chrome, you want to get this pixel helper right here. So you can make sure, see it right there? That's my little plugin. So this shows that the Facebook is tracking correctly. That means that, well, Facebook is working basically. It's going to tell you on Facebook side, hey, this is working correctly, and which one's working correctly, and it kind of gives you more data. Okay, so we're going to set it up. Boom. Okay, and then we're going to go to copy and paste code right there. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to use it into ClickFunnels. I'm not going to show you how to use it in the WordPress or lead page, just in ClickFunnels. Okay, we're going to click copy. Then we're going to go over to ClickFunnels because we already copied it, right? Now we're going to go to ClickFunnels, and let me redo this because for some reason it's not going through. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to the right hand side. I don't know why my page is not loading. Okay. I set up two of them, but right here, I'm going to delete this because this right here, once you put your Facebook pixel right in there, Facebook will track throughout this page, throughout this page, throughout this page. With lead pages and other pages out there, I've noticed that you have to put on every individual each page to get the pixel functioning correctly. But once we do this, we should be fine. So I'm going to delete it real quick to show you. I'm going to delete the pixel real quick to show you that it's not working when I take it out. The Facebook pixel is not in this particular page. All right, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to use this little thing to be my little guidance. Okay. Notice how that thing changed right away. Okay, and you saw it kind of came in. Anyways, you see how it's not blue? This is gray still, right up here on your right hand side, top right. Now look what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into settings. Use the same URL. Sorry. Yeah, settings. And I'm going to go to the head tracking code, and I'm going to paste this Facebook pixel right over here. This one, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right there. All right, so that's good. Now let's go check it out again. Now this is where pixels get confusing on ClickFunnels side and then with Facebook pixel, and I'll show you right now what I mean, where this is going to get confusing. But basically this is how to set it up first and foremost. Okay, right here, you enter this. Look at how this is going to change though. That's the page That's the URL for that page, but look at how this is going to change. And I'm just pushing Control C to command and copy. Okay? Look at how it's going to change. See, it's not the same one. But now look at what we got here. See that? Boom, the Facebook Pixel is installed correctly. Okay? So now you know that it works. The Facebook Pixel is on the page. However, now we need to go to so right here we're gonna go to next. We set up the right one. Now we're gonna go into setting up the individual, like if you're going into Facebook and you want to create something, you know, it says like lead is which most of us would want. We're gonna copy this, but this is really what all you need, okay? You're gonna go back to ClickFunnels. You don't need to put anything on the opt-in page because you're already tracking it. It already has that page view as you saw right here. I'm going to show you, before I do it, I'm going to show you the thank you page. And the thank you page just has the same URL. I'm going to copy it. Pay attention to the URL as well. This is what a URL is, that thing right there, the HTTP thing. Pay attention to it, okay? Look at the top and look what's going to happen to it. See how it changed? Pay attention to that because we're going to use that for Facebook. Alright, so it has the pixel already firing, but this is just page view. Alright, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to delete these two because you already saw them, and you already know. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into this page right here. Oh, no, not that. We're going to go edit this page, only this page, okay? And for most of you guys, all you need is pretty much the lead. You just need to make sure that they're getting a lead. You're going to go to settings on the top right. It's going to go meta tags. Sorry, not meta tags, tracking codes. Tracking codes right there. On the header, you're going to post this right there. Oh, sorry. Not that. You're going to go back and copy this, right? Copy this. Post it right there. But all you need is this. Oh, sorry. Just like that, okay? You just need that right there, that script. And I can send you guys that script just so it's already, like you don't have to do that editing that I just did. So now you're going to save it. Okay? So if I did this correctly, it should pop up on, if I preview the page. Right? But I'm going to go back so I can show you one more time what I mean by the URL, because you're going to post this in Facebook and it's going to get confusing. Okay? We're going to copy that, command copy. We're going to go straight over here and we're going to post it again. Pay attention to URL again. See how it changed? This should say 2. See? Now the pixel is firing 2 ways. That means it's well, it's on there, but maybe I put it wrong. Here, let me go to my other one just so I can show you, because they sent it to me. So okay, I'm gonna go to the same thing again. Go pretty fast. See how this is right there? Boom. I don't know what I did on the last one. I might have messed it up, but it looks the same. So if I go to preview this one, it works. See? It works. So it should work on this one too. Oh, there you go. It's working. Okay, it popped up after all. Oh, no, wait. Never mind. Let's make sure that this one's working. Yeah, that one's working. So my only assumption is that I haven't put anything on Facebook yet. In this regards, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into Facebook. You don't need any of this stuff, okay? We're gonna go next. Email instructions, you don't have to, but it's already pretty much done. All right, now you're gonna go into, see, it's active. All right, now we're gonna go into Ads Manager, and let's just create an ad, and we're gonna set it up for custom conversions or create conversions, right? Now this is where I was telling you about the URLs and this crazy stuff that you had to worry about. Okay. Okay. Before we do that, we're going to create a custom conversion. There's two ways to do this. There's a create a custom conversion. Okay, URL contains. We always want to keep it URL contains. And we want to put this right here. Okay, this one, the thank you page. The thank you page. Okay, but you can't use this one. Don't use this one. Okay, in ClickFunnels, you can. There's 3 levels of URLs. This one, the funnel URL. The variation URL, and then the individual page URL. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go in and click that little turning button right there, click on it, and then this is your path. This is the path that you're gonna put onto Facebook. Okay, so you can change it however you want to put, but you can actually just copy and paste and then pick that one up. So on this one, if you just post this one into Facebook right here, like that, it's not going to track it. And here's why. See how that changed? That's why. The Facebook pixel didn't have enough time to track it. And this one loaded, so we're good. Okay, so we're going to copy this, and then we'll put it right there. Okay, not that one, we're going to put this one. Remember how it changed? And then we're going to consider this a lead. And then next. And then enter email, because that's what they did. They entered their email to get to that point. And we'll create it. See, it hasn't created any activity yet. And if I go back to making an ad for it, then it'll work. But that's basically how to set up your pixel and set it up on this. What I set up was the standard events. There's 2 types of things. There's a standard event and the custom conversion. You saw me do a custom conversion. And then when I go into the Ads Manager and I create a conversion, Facebook automatically puts, see that entered email is the custom one that I made, and these are the ones that Facebook makes. And those are that's the little script that I put into the thank you page right over here. So those little things, these little things right here, if I would have set them up certain ways that Facebook wanted me to, like lead, right? This is the one that's going to come out green when I start running traffic to or start running Facebook ads to this particular page, to this page, because it has the tracking code, the script right there, okay? And that's what it's going to say. It's going to say this, and then over here, the custom conversions are the ones that you create, you name, you can do whatever you want. And then the standard events are these right here: search, add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout, payment, and so on and so forth. I think there's like 6 of them. So Facebook gives you those first 6 on your own. And using that little script right there will dictate what you use here. And you can use either the enter the email or do the lead thing or complete registration. But that's basically how you set up the custom conversions. Let's set it up, and then you can just run traffic to it. It's already set up, so don't worry about the red thing. It'll turn back on when you start running Facebook ads. It's just not up yet because it's not active because nobody's gone there before. So it's new, okay? So nothing's been working for that particular page. So that's how to do it, guys. If you have any questions, just hit me up. Let me know.